Kind of neat. It's been a pretty cool week for Vere Technical. So they copped first place at the recently wrapped SRC Science and Technology Fair. The team is here with their IT and science teacher. So Omar Blagrove is beside me, he's the science teacher. Beside him is the physics teacher, Mr. Kennardo Osborne. And there's John Simpson right there. Stefan Lampart right there. Audley Lambert and Roger Scarlett. Morning, everyone. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Sir, let me start with you, Mr. Blagrove. Third year you're winning this. Before we get to this year, what did you do 2 years ago to win?
Well, let's start right last year. Last year we did the solar generator.
Actually 2 years ago.
All right, sorry. Let me go back. We did the atmospheric generator 2 years ago. Right. And last year now we did the solar generator. Yes.
Who comes up with these ideas?
It's a group effort. What we do is that we find a problem and we try to flesh out ideas, generally agricultural based or climate related.
Okay, and Mr. Osborne, this year,
yes,
whose specific idea was this?
Well, it's still a group effort, but it's just that the students saw the competition being advertised on social media, and they came to us. It was pretty late, so it took us about 4 days because we had things there all around we could put together. So it took us about 4 days to pool our resources and get ourselves ready for our competition. Yeah. And we went and we did well.
Sir John, why this?
We did multiple projects before, as Mr. Blagrove said. We decided we need to do a step-by-step progress because we had the atmospheric water generator. We're doing things efficiently. We have a solar generator powered at the atmospheric water generator. We need something to distribute the water that we're making with the atmospheric water generator. This is why we did this, because it's a three-step program that we decided to implement at our school using the greenhouse that we got from STEM, because we got a grant from STEM to build a greenhouse, and which we did.
So by the way, what you did last year and the year before, they're being used at the school in a functional way? It's not just like a pretty thing put out and look at. What's your role in this?
Well, I'm the group leader. I've been a part of the group since the inception of the group, since the last 3 years.
But do you have a specific role?
Yes, the electrical engineering that's done on the project.
That's you.
That's my role.
Stefan, yes, what is your role, sir?
Well, I am the programmer, sir.
Which means you make it move wrong and on.
Yeah, I am the one that gave it the brain.
You're the expert?
Yes, sir.
Oh, how difficult was that?
Well, we have been, with the robot, we got a specific kind of code to use. It's called block sequence. So it's like a jigsaw puzzle that you put together, and after you put it together and get the nice picture, then you give it a nice little program to run by. So it wasn't really hard as long as you get the first-hand concept of it.
And it would be really easy to put together. Because you know what to do. Congrats. Audley, what's your role?
To construct the body and to strengthen enforcements or repairs and certain other things that need to be done to
the robot. Construct the body. You make this thing right here.
Assembly, put it together.
Hold up the mic.
The construction, everything that you see right here is done by me. Me and Raji.
Raji. So give Raji the mic. Let Raji tell me. Hey, Raji.
Good morning, sir.
What is your role, sir?
My role is basically constructing the body of the robot. As Audley said, the body, and we assemble the body and other things that are supposed to be done on the robot.
How did you know all of this? Is Sir teach you to do this, or you just read up some stuff and?
Sir, everybody here taught me, sir.
Yes, sir.
A little in their part.
So, sir, here's the brain behind all of this?
No,
what did you go up against? How many schools? How did you do?
I think
I know you won, but yeah. How many schools did you go?
I think we went up against, I'm not sure, about 40 schools or so.
Brilliant.
Yes, it's a national competition.
Yeah, brilliant.
So we went in the secondary category. And programs like these help to keep schools like us in the forefront, because being a country school, we don't necessarily get picked up on TV very often.
A rural school.
Country school can build robots.
Yeah,
so that's for sure.
If it's a country school, in this country they are rural school.
No, we as a country school can build robots.
Give Sir John back the mic for me, please. Are you given an idea by the SRC as to what to do, or them just say it's a science thing?
It's a science thing. Do something science-based.
Wow, but that can't that easy, sir.
No.
That's why we find a problem
Problem.
and we fix it.
It's easier to find a problem and find a solution.
Why this problem? Why did you?
The cost. We look at it and realize we have a greenhouse. For drip irrigation, it's very expensive. It needs a lot of attention. You have to spend a lot of time to install the work. It will be very costly for the school to install it. So decide. We have everything. We have the time as students after school and on weekends. So decide we can do this.
This can do a farm, or depends on the size of the farm?
Depends on the size of the farm. You can have multiple.
And can you make a bigger one?
Yes, you
or
can.
You can.
This is just a prototype.
This is just a prototype.
Yes.
Oh. Stefan, how long from start to finish all of this?
Well, as Mr. Osborne said, around 4 days, the longest a week, because at the time when we were given the instructions and so forth, and when we got the kit, there was almost no time left to put it together. So what we did, we came together as a team, and then through the constructive mind of everyone here, each individual here, we just came together, put it together, and say, hey, what do you know?
4 days and you don't sleep or nothing like that.
We had to do some refinements afterwards, you know, so we put things together and we did many different iterations of the
John, what
project.
you want to be when you, I was going to say when you grow up, but you grow up already.
Well, I love to be in the field of electrical engineering.
Yeah?
Well, I'll definitely be in the field of aviation.
Of?
Aviation.
Aviation. Which means you're going to be a pilot? Or
That's right.
You're going to be a pilot?
That's
you started
right.
that?
Yes, I have.
So you've started flying anything already?
Well, I've started doing the simulations.
Brilliant.
Yes, sir.
Audley, what about you?
I would like to become a military engineer.
A military engineer. So you want to be a soldier, but an engineer.
Engineer.
Be a part of the engineer regiment.
Oh, brilliant. Roger?
Yes, sir. I would like to be in the army, but as a doctor.
You want to be a doctor, but you want to be in the army. That's amazing. What you want to be, Mr. Omar?
I want to be alive when I grow up.
You are doing what you want to do.
Yes,
Exactly.
So too, Kenardo, you're doing what you
Yeah,
want.
exactly. At the moment, I guess there are still stages left to go because the sky is there.
Yeah, man.
So starting as a teacher, maybe it's just a starting
Yeah, man.
phase of it.
Congrats, congrats. This is absolutely brilliant. Final thing, Stefan. Tell me about Vere Technical.
Well, Vere Technical, one of the best renowned high schools in Jamaica, not just in Clarendon nor in Middlesex, but in Clarendon, because in Jamaica, yes. Because at Vere Technical High School, seeing that it's a technical high school, you're not only exposed to theory and all that, but you're also exposed to the practical areas in this field as well. Because if we weren't exposed to practical, the only thing we'd be able to do was probably sit down, think of something, and we wouldn't be able to put this together in that little time that we have.
Fantastic.
So through the curriculum at Vere Technical High School, through our principal, Mrs. Banton Ellis, which we owe a whole lot to, because of Miss Banton Ellis, we were able to have the resources that we needed in order to put the robot together, and also Miss Priscilla Deans of STEM for donating the robotic kit to us. So yes, through Vere Technical High School, because of the curriculum that we're put through, we're able to put a lot of things together in a very short time.
Fantastic. Brilliant. And your school should be proud of you. Omar Blakegrove is the science teacher?
No, IT,
IT
information
teacher.
technology.
And you are
Science, physics.
Science and Physics, Kenardo Osborne and
Yes.
John Simpson, Stefan Lampert, or the Lambert and Roger Scarlett. The winning team, fantastic. Really, really good stuff.
From SRC.
And good luck with the football. Tell the
I
coach.
think
how.
before,
Coach is
even
my
before
friend.
SRC, there was a competition for SRC, the
Catalyst.
Catalyst
And we
competition.
won that one as well.
We
We
that
have
too.
been
Yes.
a part of it.
By the way,
Well,
you get money?
Yeah, yes.
there are some.
With the-
Coach, you know, so very related. And the coach related. We soon come. More and smile when we come back.